In a world of uncertainty, staying prepared is key to survival. Whether facing natural disasters, power outages, or other emergencies, having the right gear can make all the difference. In this video, we've rounded up the 20 coolest Doomsday survival gadgets and tools every prepper should consider. From multifunctional gadgets to innovative essentials, these items are designed to keep you safe, self-sufficient, and ready for anything. Let's gear up and explore the ultimate prepper must-haves. The threat of fires destroying homes and lives is ever present, and traditional firefighting resources often fall short in emergencies. Introducing the Face Fire Suppression Device, an innovative, fully automated standalone unit designed to suppress fires without manual intervention. Activated by a temperature-sensitive element, it releases pressurized fire retardant in a 360-degree dispersal, forming a protective fire-suppressing umbrella. When multiple units are spaced evenly, they create a fire-resistant wall, safeguarding entire properties. Face offers early fire detection and suppression to minimize damage, perfect for high-risk areas like attics or stoves. This device, developed with rigorous testing, empowers homeowners to proactively control fire safety, reducing risks and protecting what matters most. For those who seek durable, versatile clothing for outdoor and urban adventures, an all-in-one solution is essential. Meet the Livsn EcoTrek Adventure Pant, the ultimate sustainable and functional choice for camping, commuting, climbing, and working. Crafted from proprietary blue ocean fabric made from recycled fishing buoys, these pants are soft, stretchy, water-resistant, sweat-wicking, and abrasion-resistant. The tailored slim straight fit with a mid-rise complements an athletic build while offering exceptional comfort. Features include a gusseted crotch, articulated knees, roll-up legs with 3M reflective tape, mesh front pockets, hidden rear security zippers, and dedicated compartments for essentials. Backed by a lifetime warranty and eco-friendly craftsmanship, these pants are ready for any adventure, on the trail or in town. When facing harsh winter conditions, footwear that combines durability, warmth, and comfort is essential. Introducing the Xnowmate Winter Boot, the ultimate hybrid outdoor footwear, designed for both adventure and city life. These boots are waterproof, windproof, insulated, and stylish, offering extreme grip with winter tire technology embedded in the soles. Lightweight and packable, they are perfect for travel, allowing you to transition seamlessly between environments without hassle. Built for comfort and breathability, Xnowmate boots ensure you stay warm and dry while enjoying exceptional traction on icy or wet surfaces. After 3 years of meticulous refinement, these boots promise unparalleled performance and style for your cold weather adventures. Protecting your head during snow sports is essential to prevent serious injuries and fatalities. The anti-ordinary A1 helmet redefines headgear with its unique design that combines the safety of a helmet with the comfort and style of a beanie. Made from advanced non-Newtonian materials, the A1 is soft and flexible under normal conditions, but hardens instantly upon impact, providing exceptional protection. This innovative helmet surpasses ASTM F2040 and EN 1077 safety standards for snow sports and is versatile enough for cycling, skateboarding, and more. Lightweight, form-fitting, and breathable, it's designed to be a helmet you'll enjoy wearing. With the anti-ordinary A1, safety no longer comes at the expense of comfort or style. When exploring the outdoors or engaging in activities, staying connected is essential, especially when you can't rely on the internet. The Tonyar Vox Mini Walkie-Talkie revolutionizes outdoor communication with its ultra-small, hands-free design. This wearable device allows you to stay connected via a walkie-talkie with 7 channels or Bluetooth 5.3 for clear, reliable communication. With voice control, it offers a completely touch-free experience, making it perfect for hands-on activities like biking or hiking. The Tonyar features an IPX6 waterproof design, ensuring durability in tough conditions, and its lightweight, adjustable antenna guarantees extended sound transmission. Whether for adventurers or professionals, Tonyar is the ideal tool for seamless, efficient communication wherever you go. In unpredictable times, having a reliable and accessible protective measure is a necessity. The Gravel Keychain Face Mask offers a compact, stylish, and practical solution for staying prepared on the go. Designed to fit on your keychain, it ensures your face mask is always within reach, no matter where you are. This innovative accessory combines convenience and hygiene with its easy-to-use portable design. Crafted with high-quality materials, the face mask provides comfort and durability for everyday use. Whether for a quick errand or a long trip, the Gravel Keychain Face Mask ensures you're always ready while adding a touch of style and practicality to your routine. Stay protected wherever life takes you. Staying connected in remote areas or during outdoor adventures is crucial for safety and convenience. The Starvox smartwatch revolutionizes connectivity with its integrated walkie-talkie function, designed for one-to-one or one-to-many communication. Combining innovative technology and sleek design, this smartwatch is a must-have for outdoor enthusiasts and daily life. It offers seamless communication, even without a cell signal, perfect for exploring uncharted territories. The lightweight and stylish Starvox also features compatibility with other walkie-talkies, ensuring broader communication options. With an antenna integrated into the wristband, it maintains a compact and ergonomic design. Ideal for adventure seekers, the Starvox smartwatch delivers safety, functionality, and lifestyle convenience in one sophisticated package. Effective communication and safety are essential for outdoor activities, where staying connected can make all the difference. The DellKing Mate DP6 ear headset redefines connectivity with the world's first open-ear headphones featuring built-in walkie-talkie functions. Perfect for riding, hiking, skiing, and more, it offers full duplex communication within a 100-meter range, enabling seamless two-way voice exchanges. Equipped with DSP technology, it supports dual mixed audio for simultaneous listening and speaking. The Bluetooth PTT remote controller ensures hands-free control, whether cycling or driving. Lightweight and portable, the DellKing Mate DP6 prioritizes safety and convenience while delivering high-quality sound. Break boundaries and embrace boundless communication with this ultimate outdoor companion headset. Clean water is essential for survival, but accessing it can be challenging during emergencies or outdoor adventures. Introducing the Purisu Portable Purifier Water Bottle, a dependable solution for purifying water anytime, anywhere. Combining a manual pump system with advanced filtration effectively removes bacteria, protozoan cysts, and particulates, and reduces viruses, chemicals, and heavy metals. The hollow fiber membrane and carbon filter ensure safe, purified water, while the 410 milliliter reservoir keeps it separate from contaminants. Perfect for hiking, travel, or emergency kits, Purisu's replaceable filter processes up to 1,000 liters. Simply pump from any fresh water source, drink directly, or store clean water safely. This innovative purifier is compact, practical, and essential for hydration on the go. Knee injuries are common and often irreparable, making reliable support essential for protecting joints during physical activity. The C-Exoskeleton E-Knee Support Solution offers intelligent, real-time support for your knees. Equipped with a smart chip, gyroscope, and air pressure sensor, it detects your exercise level and auto-adjusts pressure via microcompressors to protect your patella, meniscus, and ligaments. The 5 TPU airbags and silicone retaining ring provide superior cushioning and stability without falling off. With one-click activation, the device ensures optimal comfort and support, relieving pressure during rest without removal. Suitable for activities like basketball, mountaineering, or jogging, it's available in custom sizes and supports both wired and wireless charging for ultimate convenience. When embarking on outdoor adventures, it's essential to be equipped with versatile, compact tools that enhance your survival skills without weighing you down. Meet the SwissStaff self-sufficient multifunctional tool, the ultimate companion for adventurers, combining up to 25 essential accessories in one lightweight tool. Weighing less than a liter of water, it's perfect for building shelters, fishing, and starting fires. With its innovative magnetic design, this tool is a more powerful version of the Swiss Army knife, providing everything you need for survival and comfort in nature. Made with carbon fiber, it's durable and ready for the harshest environments, offering a new standard for outdoor expeditions. In challenging outdoor environments, having gear that keeps you dry, comfortable, and protected is essential. The Mishmi Takin breathable waterproof boots are designed to deliver unmatched comfort and durability in both hot and cold conditions. These boots feature advanced dry system technology, which ensures maximum breathability and waterproofing by promoting immediate evaporation and preventing the buildup of heat and moisture. Made with Vibrum's Mega Grip rubber compound, they offer superior grip and traction on both wet and dry surfaces. Engineered for performance, these boots provide comfort during prolonged wear and are perfect for rugged adventures, ensuring you stay dry and safe in any weather condition. In daily life and outdoor adventures, having a versatile tool that fits into your pocket is essential for solving unexpected challenges. Meet the MRF Credit Card Multitool, a compact credit card-sized tool packed with over 60 functions, making it the ultimate EDC solution. This multi-tool includes essential tools like a knife, survival axe, fire starter, can opener, wrenches, flat screwdrivers, and a pry bar, all in one sleek design. It also features a compass, protractor, ruler, and more, ensuring you're prepared for anything. Whether you're camping, hiking, or tackling daily tasks, this tool provides convenience, reliability, and versatility in a minimalist form. When you're out in the wilderness or facing unpredictable situations, having a reliable hands-free light source is essential. Introducing the JordyLite Ultimate Headlamp, a versatile, compact, and lightweight lighting solution for any adventure. This headlamp can be worn, held, or attached to your gear, providing maximum flexibility. Equipped with 19 LEDs, emitting 3,600 lumens, it offers powerful illumination for hiking, camping, rock climbing, and more. It's waterproof up to 50 meters long and comes with a mobile app for easy control. With added features like an e-compass, full sensor, and SOS function, JordyLite ensures safety and convenience, making it your ideal companion for all your outdoor activities. In a world where style meets sustainability, owning a watch that reflects both elegance and responsibility is a must. Introducing Norwood watches, handcrafted with natural wooden extracts to create unique timepieces that suit any occasion. Designed for the eco-conscious, these watches are waterproof and scratch-proof, ensuring long-lasting durability. The genuine leather straps offer exceptional comfort, softening over time with wear. Every Norwood watch is thoughtfully packaged in a handcrafted bamboo box, further promoting sustainability. Perfect for those who value quality, style, and environmental responsibility. Norwood watches offer both reliability and a chic, natural appeal, making them an essential addition to your accessory collection. For those who love outdoor adventures, a versatile and functional pair of pants is essential. Introducing the Nordic zip-off pants, designed to support your active lifestyle in any terrain. Made from a durable, 4-way stretch fabric, these pants are perfect for hiking, mountain biking, fishing, and more. Featuring a zip-off function, they easily convert into shorts for added convenience. The water-repellent material ensures comfort in various conditions, while zip-thigh ventilation keeps you cool during intense activity. With an essential pocket for storage, adjustable leg ends, and a reflective print for safety, these pants are an ideal choice for anyone seeking a reliable, all-around solution for outdoor pursuits. In every outdoor or survival situation, having a reliable and sharp tool is essential. Introducing the Drogo Sabertooth Folding Knife, crafted for precision and durability. Made from high-quality stainless steel, this knife features a 4-inch mirror-finished blade, ensuring a sharp edge for cutting tasks. Its design incorporates polished natural materials, giving it a unique feel while maintaining strength. The folding mechanism makes it compact and safe to carry, and the sleek leather sheath offers convenient storage. Whether you're exploring the wilderness or tackling tough jobs, the Drogo Sabertooth knife provides both style and function with its predatory sharpness and rugged construction, ready for any challenge. In today's world, a functional and sustainable wallet is essential for those living an active, on-the-go lifestyle. Introducing the Scrubber Weightless Wallet, designed to be ultra-lightweight, durable, and sweat-resistant, making it the perfect companion for travel and everyday use. Made from upcycled material, this wallet fits all common currencies and can hold up to 12 cards. It's tear-resistant and designed to withstand the rigors of daily life. Its edges naturally fray over time, developing a unique aged look that tells your personal story. Affordable, eco-friendly, and practical, the Scrubber Weightless Wallet combines style, functionality, and sustainability in one compact package. In today's world, ensuring clean, bacteria-free water is a top priority. Introducing the Luma reusable water bottle, an innovative solution that utilizes digital UVC light to eliminate 99.9% of bacteria in both your water and the bottle itself. Designed with an insulated, sleek exterior, Luma ensures fresh, great-tasting water with no lingering odors, even after repeated use. The UVC light in the bottom of the bottle makes contact with the water, providing effective purification in just 60 seconds. With a rechargeable battery lasting up to 2 months on a single charge, this eco-friendly bottle offers convenience, cleanliness, and sustainability, protecting both you and the planet. For any outdoor enthusiast or adventurer, having a reliable, durable knife is essential in tackling survival tasks. Meet the Perkin hunting knife, a 12.5-inch fixed blade designed to handle a variety of outdoor challenges. Crafted with a razor-sharp blade rated 59 to 60 HRC on the Rockwell scale, this knife ensures superior cutting power, ideal for hunting, camping, fishing, and bushcraft. Its full tang design offers maximum strength and durability, while the sturdy leather grip handle ensures a comfortable and secure hold. The knife comes with a high-quality leather sheath for safe storage and easy carry. Whether you're cooking, hunting, or surviving in the wild, the Perkin hunting knife is the perfect companion for any adventure.